Namaskaram Masters. Namaskaram Master E.K. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Jnananandamayam Devam Nirmala Spatikakrutam Adharam Sarva Vidyanam Hayagriva Mupasmahe. So all the spiritual lovers I am congratulating. At the same time I am bowing my head to your feet to hear my voice as the name of Master's Wisdom. Master's Wisdom is not at all a new topic, but the topic is very interesting. Not only this day, it's every era, every time. So, what is Master's Wisdom? The word Master's is a master is a master. We cannot deny it. Master is a master forever, not only one day or 2 day or the eras will go, the masterism won't go. So very difficult to define the word master. That is we have defined the word master. One way we can understand the certain extent only. But Hinduism will give Brahma with Brahmaiva Bhavati. Whatever the Brahma, practicing Brahma is, ultimately the person will become a Brahma. That is a masterism. Without masterism, we can't achieve it. So it will widen its own sense of meaning with healing from the individual to group level. It is a healing touch. Masterism is a healing touch. So it is only the path of masters will heal us. The path of masters will change us to keep in the right path. That is the way. So healing from the individual to group level on the whole, which is universal. So we have to achieve the universality in our results. So certain precautions are necessary for that. The meaning of dictionary about them will open our eyes at physical living with a physical living sense only, because the physical without masterism, how can we achieve it? But the meanings nowadays, every word should be referred through the dictionary. What the dictionary is telling is the lower level of meaning. That is the term is scientific learning is masterism or master. But what the spiritualism will tell, the wisdom is the accumulated philosophy. Accumulated means it should not be burden to the human being or to the burden to the society. It should glow for a glow in a shiny level to glow others. So this is it, but the sense of wisdom can be seen through the master's life. How can we sense this? How can we sense it? Through the master's wisdom. Without master's wisdom, we prepare ourselves to wake on their path only. Their path is very valuable. So master's path, whatever the masters, whoever is the master, every master is it's a sense of light. Sense of light. The sense of wisdom is in the life glimpses of master. The sense of wisdom, how can we learn life glimpses of the masters? So many masters are there. Sai Baba was there, and also the master apart from this, those who have worked in the Himalayan masters, and also the Indian master CVV, and Ramana Maharshi, etc., etc. There's so many. How can we tell? Every era is through masters. It is heals the people, heals the people, and also changes the people into right path. Hmm? So it's abundant in every era. It means the abundant, very much. Availability is no problem for availability. Only thing is the man has to synchronize to that masterism. Only this is. So the main thing is to achieve, not the achieved. We have to see the path with the transparency. That is the clairvoyance. A thing of seeing. We should not see that path is a thing to purchase or to sell. That is, unless we wake up, there, walk up, wake up and walk up, wake up yourselves and see the path and walk on the path with a righteous manner. That is the only way to see the masters. Now, learning with the principles of discipleship. That is most important thing. Principles of discipleship. How can be a disciple to the master? So with a appropriate discipleship, we have to walk on their path means not walking like that and by showing our hands, etc. We have to see their use and also how they have achieved and what are their senses, how they are awaken their senses. We have to be awaken our sense also like that. So their words are very important. Their the sentences are very important to achieve it. The chief character to be blossomed through their mercy, blossomed through their mercy only. Whatever practice we have done, without their mercy, we can't get it. We can't get it. We can't get it. So this is a way of blossom through through the mercy and humanity. The first is required for the human being is humanity. Without humanity, the people, humanity less human beings are not human beings. Masters won't see such people. This is a very important point. And another point is and also the mercy. How they have shown the mercy, we have to show the same mercy on all the people in the world. So that is another. And the standards of humanity is very, very important. What are the standards? We can't see the standard. We can't see. Because if you see this people can't show the on a crow and also the dog. We can't show the same mercy on both animals. Crow will fly away. Dog is different. So how the same way the human beings also behavior. The path of wisdom is every master's path is shown in the many ways, the so many ways. One way is not suitable to this world. The world is so many. If you take how, because the sun, from the sun, the sunrise, we can anybody can count the number of rays arising from the sun? No, the abundant. Sahasra Kirana means thousands and thousands of light rays will evolve from the sun. So what for the purpose of it? Because of thousands and thousands of ways are arised in this world, arised in the world. So every human being has to receive it and also awaken ourselves to that level. So that's why another form is given akshara, means the letters. Akshara means without kshara. There is no end for that. And from message is a letter. In olden days, all the messages were arrived from the masters to masters and masters to the public, masters to disciples through the letters. Means Uttara Pratyuttara. Uttara Pratyuttara. Not like our cell phone messages. These are, you can't understand the others' messages to them. Those letters are open. It's outdated. It is outdated technique. Masters' letters are outdated. For example, the Gandhi's letters and all Tolstoy letters. Some masters are having the visionary. Their vision will become open our eyes. And Hasta Mastaka Yogamu. These are all the things which are to awaken our masters to how this will happen. So we have to see the human manas and buddhi. These two are the great weapons. Manas is a great weapon. And above that level, the buddhi is another weapon. All people are living notion are the same standards is not possible. So all manas are not possible. Everybody's manas is not equalized. It is difficult to equalize. That's why we have to do the prayers of common prayer was introduced by the masters is because of that only. Until man has reached to that level, he cannot change. Alone, lonely we pray it, we can't achieve it. That's only to a certain level. If we gone there, then only we can. There is no need of a prayer. There is no need, but only to see the Sakshi Bhuta like Ramana Maharshi. And but their stage of living is quite contradictory standards, but the stage of living of human beings is very contradictory to each other. It is a contradictoriness is present in all fields. Not only the we can see very easily in the politics, even education, even research, even science and technology, even the other fields like commercial, the commerce and etc. etc. The number of branches were arised, the scientific sense, etc. The political field also, the variance in capacity, due to that variance in capacity to understand it is difficult to understand. The variance factor in mathematics, delta plus or delta minus will give the variance. So all fields, we can take the Pythagoras is one kind of master who provokes with his mathematics and triangles of mathematics. There are many controls or master's letters are possible for the public. So in those days, the master's letters were openly publicized with certain content was open to the public, because to awaken, to know, to learn all these things. But nowadays, everything is secrecy. Everything will Pradaswamya they will tell, but no Pradaswamya at all. Everything is a secret manner. Everything will be night around 12 o'clock. Everything will possible, and also the instructions will be given in those days before 5 o'clock. So that is the worst phenomena is going in this world. But not sure interest in human beings providing to learn through the level through the meditation. So what for this content in the letters? They are giving so many advices. So advice to others is also advice to us. Then such a way we have to take it. What is the purpose of advice? We can't get everything direct manner. So direct. So for example, the sunlight will come in the daytime, but night time is a reflective light. So this is a kind of reflective light. That's why the Soma or the moon is the representative of the Manas in the mythology or in the Vedanta. Upon this principal content is one the holistic way towards the wisdom. But holistic way is a unique way, that is. It's nothing but the devotion. Devote yourself. What purpose you are going, what purpose we are achieving. And the devotion should not be an emotion. The master's wisdom is such a kind of content which glows, which glow you, glow everybody. Every master's life is work with the freedom. So freedom is one of the important factors in the master's living. So such a freedom is essential for the every human being. Without freedom we can't do it. That Svecha Vayuvulu. Svecha means not like this present Pradaswamya, present the independence, etc. This is different, entirely different. And leaving and tying down. Just if a cow or the animal was tied to this one pole with a rope, that is tying up. That is the Pradaswamya. At the same time, the commodity is not available as commodity like to sell or only the individual has to give himself to the path to live with good determination. The first point is devotion and determination, and the good devotion with the good self is required. One one to another, another to another, another to group level. That is the living thing, living sense of the human beings to be raised to the group level. Then only the blossom, the flower will blossom, our manas will blossom, and also our heart will work onto the master's path. So that is very, very important in this. But as a necessity for the individual for the sake of not himself, for the sake of the universe. That is universal phenomena. The principles of certain principles are required for the practice. That one is the sense of living, help the needy. Number three is forgetting self, and fourth is work with goodness and love. Friendly yourself next, and next is healthy living. Seventh is be yourself in yourself. There are 7 important points which are to be achieved one by one. Because what was the main purpose of these 7 kind of important points to be touched and also the grown himself to that level, the path of 7 paths. Every path is a stepping stone for the next path. So in such a way, it means the unselfishness, Niswarthapara Tattva. Swarthapara Tattva is for living for himself. Niswarthapara Tattva, living for the Paratattva, means the God or the universe. The universe is nothing but the God, and universe is the same. Vishwam Vishnu Vashatkara Bhuta Bhavya Bhavat Prabhu. So Vishnu Sahasranama is telling that one. And also this we will simply see this one by one. What is living, for what for we are living. This is the first point, sense of living. How can our senses to be opened by living? So selfishness or unselfishness. This is the first thing. Already we have explained this one. The second one is nothing but the helping the needy. Who are the needy? How can we define the needy? That is area to area it will differ. Maybe friend, maybe a college mate, maybe a neighbor, maybe some other, maybe the co-student, co-worker, etc., etc. But help the needy, that is need. The persons who are need should be helped properly without expecting anything from them. That is the very important thing. The law of compensation. The law of compensation is the law of nature. Law of compensation is nothing but the suppose area. Example, the entire world has need of water. One area will have the water, another area may not be. But this water should be circulated under the ground or by any level. So next time that will be compensated. The compensation is one of the important. How this compensation phenomena will arise, that is a different thing. We cannot discuss here that such points. Forget yourself. How to make others happy. Unless until the own self should be not forgotten, kept aside. So what for the human being is born? To protect the 84 lakhs among the 84 lakhs living beings are present in this world. This presenting world is necessity is to protect the 84 lakhs. Who will protect? The human being is the highest phenomenon, highest living being. So the higher living beings should be protected, the lower living beings. That is very important. So working with others only the possibility. The fourth one, work with goodness and love. Love and compassion. Love is very important. Love others. Loving is others is the loving God. So many, we can tell as many examples or as many words as possible. But thing is the unselfishness only, with unselfishness manner only we can live and we can love others. Karanamaina the loving others with a proper cause is not the root for the elevation. So that is very important. But about the words, certain patriotism. For example, in the country, love means the patriotism. Without patriotism, we can't love our country. Because Janani Janma Bhumista, the word. The friendly yourself. At the same time, If everything is for others, what is for ours? The question may arise. So friendly yourself. If you are friendly with your own body, then only your health will be protected. If you are friendly with your own manas, definitely your manas will be expanded. The friendly with your own spirituality, it's not you are not the owner of the spirituality. You are own. You can own the spirituality, but you cannot be an owner of the spirituality. So that is very important. And also the uh, pride and egoism are the negative factors in this. We have to avoid it one. Cruelty and all the fields which we can be harassed to them, and we have to be spiritual and healing. Healthy living. Healthy living is a psychological, physiological, and also the physical and physiological and psychological and spirituality. All the corners are should be touched. The three corners, and fourth point will be arranged. That fourth point will give the right health or wrong health. That should be and yourself in yourself. So you have to work. You always to be yourself means inner self, like Ramana Maharshi. See, this is the first thing to be righteous path to be go for it is the path laid by the masters for their disciples and also the human beings in this world. And thank you one and all. And Loka, we can meet the sometime later for another masters of wisdom. And thank you one and all. Loka samasta sukno bhavantu. Om shanti shanti shanti.